Hi all, myself is Janay Krishnan, Department of Costume Design and Fashion. Today we are going to see about the different types of fabric cutting. In this video, what do you mean by cutting, and then what are the different types of cutting methods used in garment industry? Like that, the hand shears, straight knife, band knife, round knife, die cutters, and notchers, and computerized control cutting machines. They were used in the different types of cutting machines in garment industry. First of all, what do you mean by fabric cutting? Which means to make a complete garment, the cutting is necessary. It means to cut out of the garment piece from lay of the fabric with the help of cutting template. In garment industry, the fabric is cut from lay and spreading with the accurate and properly, which is termed as a fabric cutting. It is a before the sewing process, sewing department. For example, we can say we have a garment, for example we can say the polo t-shirt. First of all, we have to prepare the pattern with the help of paper pattern. After that, spread the fabric and we have to place the pattern on the fabric. After that, mark the pattern. Finally, they are going to cut the fabric with the measurement template. That is a given template. That is a proper measurement. What is the objective means to separate the fabric parts from the spread of the lay according to the dimension of the marker. For example, same as it is, we have polo t-shirt means we have two sleeve, front and back, and neckline, whatever it is. So we have to separate the pattern. First of all, we have to mark the front bodies, and then second one is back bodies. Finally, we have to mark the neckline, and then sleeve length, and then armhole length, whatever it is. After that, the requirements of cutting. What do you mean by requirements of cutting? That is, first one is precision of cutting. What do you mean by precision of cutting is it's the garment cannot be assembled satisfactorily and they may not fit the body correctly. If there are any changes, the pattern shape will be the change. Because for example, we have the length is 15 inches, but we have to mark the 15-inch only. Suppose we have to add seam allowance, that is 1 inch. If you not mean, if you already include in the during the pattern means there no need to add the pattern. I no need to add the measurements. So we have to mark correct pattern, correct, with the help of correct template. Second one is clean edges. Clean edges is nothing but that is uneven edges, that is straight edges we need. So third one is infused edges, and then consisting of cutting and support of lay. So these are all the cutting. Before the process we have to analyze. Next one is types of cutting method. First there is a three types of method. First one is fully manual. That is fully manual, that is it is suitable for only small scale industry. And then second one is manually operated power knife, that is semi automatic machine, half of the manpower they use it. Third one is computerized control cutting machines, the fully automatic machines. In case first one is hand manual machine, that is full and full manpower only they were used. Second one is manually operated power machine, that is drive knife, band knife, round knife, die cutters, notchers, drillers. The half of the that is a semi-automatic machines. Third one is computerized control cutting machine, that is a fully automatic machine. What are the programs we loaded in the computer? The machine automatically they form the, they spread the fabric, whatever it is the procedure as it is the machine will be the followed. First of all, we have to add the program, load the program. That is what is the full length of the garment, what is the width of the garment, and then how many sizes, that is small size or medium size or large size, whatever it is. So whatever it is, we have to load the program in the system. The automatically the fabric will be the cutting. So that is the computerized control cutting machines. First one, that is computerized control knife cutting, cutting by laser beam. Third one is cutting by water jet and cutting by plasma touch. So these are the computerized control machines. It's a fully automatic machines. First one, the hand operated scissors. Hand operators, just you see this picture, there is two knife. that is a hand operated scissor. First one is first and oldest method of the fabricating. First of all, they used the peoples were used the this method only, and the advanced technology were developed. Now we are using the semi-automatic machines and automatic machines, whatever it is. Advanced technology were used in garment industry. Mostly it is suitable for the small scale industry. Whether it is a small scale industry means they are using the hand operated scissors used for cutting one or two pieces of the fabric, because we are not able to cut at the same time bulk of the fabric, because the manpower will be cut only 2 or 3 layers of fabrics only. So available to cut the fabric from left to right or right to left. It can be cut by shears and need more time, contain the high cost, because we are going to stitch only 2 or 3 layers of fabric. So the time consumption is more, so it is not suitable for the large scale industry. Next one is used in the tailoring and household purpose to cut the fabric. It is mostly used for the household women and the household people, tailoring shop. Still, they are using the hand operated scissors. Next one is semi-automatic machines. That is strife knife. That is semi-automatic machines. Just you see this picture. What are the features of the strife knife? Means it is an electric motor, stand, base plate, usually on rollers, handle, knife guard, and wheel. So, and then strife knife in the, one advantage is we have to move the machine from cutting table, because in this knife is driven by the electric power. The knife is driven by the electric power. Grinding wheel is the present to sharp the knife during the, because at the same time the knife we can sharp the knife during the process. Blade edges, straight edge, wave edge, and skew edge, etc. And then stripe edge is mostly used in our garment industry. The blade stroke is 2.5 to 4.5 centimeter. Can cut heavy fabrics such as canvas, denim, whatever it is. Next one is different types of knife. So already we see about the different types of knife. Now we are going to see this picture. First one is the round knife. It is suitable for the round knife. Second one is strife knife. You see this first one, waves knife. Second one is strife knife. The knife for the shape. It is a knife for the shape. Next one is band knife. Band knife. What are the features of band knife? Just to see this picture, there is a 3 different types of band knife. We have to see in this band knife, we have to move the fabric. What is the measurement? What is the marking? We have to move based on that. We have to move the fabric. In strife knife, we have to move the knife, because there is a handle. We have to move based on the measurement. In this band knife, we have to move the fabric. So band knife compares the series of 3 or more pulleys powered by the electric. It is an electric motor. Cutting knife is endless, in sharp or flexible. The blade is usually narrower than on a strife knife. This method is stationary, but its fabric is movable. This like so is a mill cutter. Next one is, what are the advantages of band knife? Used when higher standard of cutting accuracy is required. You can able to cut accurate measurement. We have to cut accurately, and then extensively used to cut very sharp corners, small parts such as collar and cuffs, etc. We can able to cut the 90-degree of fabric also. We can able, it is suitable for armhole and then neckline, whatever it is. And then it is used for in men's wear than ladies wear. Instantly risk to accident is low, possible to cut 90-degree of the fabric. And then disadvantages is the workload is high as a machine is stationary and the fabric is movable, not suitable for cutting large amount of garment piece, not suitable for to cut fabric directly. The fabric wastage is high, the power less is high, because these are the disadvantages of the band knife, because the fabric wastage is high, the fan and then power less is high. Next one is round knife. Round knife. What are the features of the round knife? That is element of the round knife, base plate or electric motor. It is also the semi-automatic machines. The handle for the cutting to direct the blade, rotating circular blade. Diameter varies from 6 to 20 centimeter. The blade is circular. The blade is derived by the electric motor. The circular knife is derived by 1000 to 3000 centimeters. So just to see this picture, this is a round knife. Once again, okay. Next one is die cutter. It is a semi-automatic machines. The mainly two types of die cutters are available in, namely presses and clickers. The main parts of all die cutter machines are blade, ram, head, die, motors, and operating system of ram. The die is made of by metallic strip, the mostly useful to cut sharp and small parts. Just you see this picture, this is a die cutter machine. Next one, working principle of die cutter. The die is prepared with the metallic strip according to the shape of the pattern, because we have the pattern. So based on that, we have to prepare the metallic strip to the cut the fabric. So die press generally has a cutting die just penetrates the cutting pad in order that the fibers of the lowest play are completely separated. Then for die cutting, the spreader spreads a lay to the required placement of the die. The spread is cut into the section to allow the transport to the cutting pad. The gap between two dies 2 to 3 mm or placed when the die is taken to the cut fabric lay. And then what are the advantages and its disadvantages of die cutting? The advantages were extensively used for the cut sharp corner of the small parts of the dresses. For example, we can see cuff lines, collars, and then what we have to say, and the necklines, armhole. So these are, it is a suitable for this part. And then most useful to cut any shape or any angle. It is most suitable for any shape or any angle, whatever it is, we can able to cut in die cutters, and comparatively less time required. Best method of cutting for knitted fabrics. The knitted, it is also the best method is suitable for knitted for materials. And then disadvantages of die cutter is the fabric loss is high due to the need of block of the fabric clay, high labor cost because that is a very technical persons only needed, and then to change a style quickly it is impossible. During the process, not able to change quickly. It is impossible. Difficulty to cut large components of the dress. And then notches. The future of the notches is the special type of cutting machine and used in special cases, used to cut notches in edge of the some components. The invitation of the notches machine was done to make notch. The notch can be made in U shape or V shape. Then advantages of notches, the special type of cutting machine and used in special cases, useful to cut small notches to the fabric, most useful to make consistency in the notching. Disadvantages is the only used to make notch. The thermoplastic fiber cannot be cut by this machine. The time is lost and the use of the machine is limited. Next one is driller. Driller cutting machine. The future of driller cutting machine, just to see this picture, this is a driller cutting machines. So needed to mark on the end of components of dresses, especially for packet and the darts, etc. Mostly it is used for the packets and dart settings for garment. This machine consists of the motor, base plate, drill or split level. The for tight woven, like woven material, denim material, whatever it is, the marking of the hole by drill is painted for the long. In hypometric drill, some colors is sprayed along with the hole so that it can easily to find the marker place. So it is mostly useful for the thick material like denim material, woven material, whatever it is. Next one is advantages of the drill machines. Needed to mark on the end of the components of dress, especially for the setting the packets and darts. Make the hole penetrate for long time. So disadvantages is only used for making hole in the fabric, especially for setting packet and the darts. And then for loose woven material, it can be make the hole penetrate for the long time. And then next one is computerized control cutting machines. Computerized control cutting machine is one. It is mostly nowadays the large industries were used in the computerized control cutting machines. Simply have to say means what are the program. For example, t-shirt, whatever it is, any type of garment, just we load the program with the length and width and the neck depth and then armhole length, sleeve length, cuff length, whatever it is, just we load the program in the system. Automatically the fabric, just to see this picture, and this picture, first picture is after the completion of the spreading, there is no need to mark anything in the table because already what are the programs already we loaded in the system. It is automatically mark the pattern and cutting whatever it is. For example, we have to say three different types of size. For example, small size, medium size, large size. Whatever it is, we can load. For example, small size we have 10 centimeter length, medium size we have to increase 2 more inches, that is a 12 inch, large is 14 inch. We can mix the pattern, whatever it is, we have to any wastage, without any wastages, we can able to place the pattern in the computers control cutting machines. In that, what are the features? This method is provides the most accurate possible cutting at the high speed. It is one more thing I want to say, that is it is a very speed, I mean high speed. And then marker is not necessary to put over the fabric layer during the cutting. There is no need to mark anything in the fabric layer. And then cutting knife is oval shape or very hot. Sharpness is also high. Blade is made of the stainless. The blade is made up of stainless steel. And then cutting knife itself moves according to the direction of computer memory. Already I say we load the program, automatically machine will start the working process. This machine is CAM system machine and then works through the CAD system machine, CAD system methods. Next one is advantages and disadvantages of computerized control cutting machines. That is very fast method, very active cutting by computer control cutting machine, suitable for very large scale production. Speed can be controlled and then no need to mark anything. The fabric can be cut 6 to 8 times than the manual, less labor cost. And the disadvantages is very expensive. It is not suitable for the small scale industry. It is suitable for large scale industry. And then higher maintenance cost, skilled manpower is required because it is a very tough to handle normal person. So the skilled labor is required. If correct disk is not loaded, the computer will be the indicator. Next one is cutting by water jet. This system, thin jet of the water is passed through the nozzle in very. The pressure of the water is 60,000 pounds per second inch. The water is worked as like a hard or sharp knife which can easily cut the fabric. The catcher is the bottom of the fabric layer and it used with the same speed and the same direction of the water jet. Next one is advantages and disadvantages of water jet. The higher cutting speed. There is no need to knife to cut fabric, so that no need of the sharpening operations. Better to cut hard materials also. It is suitable for hard materials like leather material and denim material, whatever it is. And then disadvantages is not suitable for higher depth of depth of lay of fabric, cutting edges of fabric is wetted by water. Sometimes the water spot should be seen in the fabric because it is a water jet. So other than fabric, I mean water spots may be aware, visible in the fabric. Need to filtering and deionization of water. Need of controlling the sound of the jet. Next one is cutting by plasma touch. This system fabric are cut by a thin through the nozzle which is made by the aggressive gas. One or more fabric piles can be cut, most useful for cutting single play of fabric. The fabrics are cut by the placing in a table, the surface 80% of which the must be placed in the performed blanket place. Still now this system is under the research. Next one is advantage and disadvantage of plasma torch. The automatic torch higher than the control system, automatic fuel gas control system, automatic torch exploding system, and then standard auto extinct packing, easily network. Disadvantages is synthetic fabrics are not cutted, higher number of fabric layers not cut, need higher skill operator, costly. And then thank you for watching. Thank you.